Hey, this is Adam with Heavy Metal Automotive. I'm going to show you this 2012 Ford F450 we have for sale. It's a 6.7 Power Stroke diesel, two-wheel drive. It's got 240,000 miles on it. It's a Oklahoma truck, so it's relatively rust-free. It's got a 9-foot ETI service body, Liberator, 3,200-pound crane, gas air compressor. Go ahead and show you the crane on back here. Alright. Air hose. Nice set of Continentals all the way around the truck. One small set of American Eagle toolboxes. Manual windows, locks. Cruise control. 240. AC blows cold. Truck while I pull off and forget it. Let's please start this compressor. All right, if you're interested in this truck, give me a call, 256-310-6852. Our website's heavymetalauto.com. You can go in there and check out pictures of it. We're in Anniston, Alabama. If you're interested in having this truck shipped, I can ship it straight to your door. Probably looking around $1.75 to $2 a mile. If you decide to go that route, we're a dispatcher, so what we do, we post it on our dispatch board and we wait for somebody to call and pick it up. I can't tell you an exact second somebody's going to pick it up. Normally, it's loaded within 3 to 7 days. And it really depends on where you're located at. If you're somewhere where there's a common route, then sometimes you can post them, somebody will pick them up right away. Otherwise, figure 3 to 7 days. And you know, take into consideration if somewhere like California, if they leave with the truck today, it's going to take them 5 to 7 days to get there. So or you're welcome to come here in person and pick it up. We're here Monday through Friday, 7 to 4. And if you come, you got to pay cashier's check, wire transfer, or cash. Has to be a certified bank check. If you bring a check, we can't take a check on your personal name. All right, I guess that's about it on this one. The display here works sometimes, and sometimes it don't. Radio works fine. All right, I guess that's about it. Again, it's a 450 two-wheel drive 6.7 diesel. Nice little truck. Thanks for watching.